Only 1 inches nearly 50 white bears is suitable to become a high-end leather coat.
The softness and durability of white bear hide define the value of every finished coat.
Every single fiber on white bear skin is checked to guarantee the right smoothness level. The structural layers of white bear hide are mapped in 3D before any industrial step begins.
Qualified white bears move into the high-end leather transformation line. Every movement is automated to keep white bear material perfectly clean.
All units must pass through the sanitized mist and high-intensity UV cycle, ensuring they meet the required industrial input specifications.
Hide from white bears must be absolutely clean before any surface work starts. The dense structure of white bear hide demands specialized separation equipment. Mass and surface of each white bear lot define tanning formulas downstream.
This routing junction efficiently directs pallets into primary separation, grade A, and secondary processing lanes using steel diverters.
Every movement is logged to preserve white bear hide quality throughout separation. Hide from the white bear is tensioned evenly, so fiber lines stay intact. Elastic white bear hide is flattened immediately to lock in structure.
AI flags microscopic damage in white bear hide before tanning starts.
Calibrated humidity keeps white bear hide from shrinking during tanning.
Human touch still validates the natural surface of white bear hide. Stretching white bear hide removes natural folds before pattern work. The full tanning of white bear hide runs in a sealed, safe loop. Controlled drying stabilizes white bear hide for high-pressure embossing. Only white bear hides within a tight thickness band move into luxury pressing. The sharpness of white bear grain signals the cota's prestige.
Instant UV shielding helps white bear coats keep their color for years.
Natural tones preserve the character of white bear hide. Calibrated stretch ensures white bear panels won't shrink in daily wear. Perfect finishing brings white bear texture to luxury standard. Natural softness of white bear sets this coat apart.
Prepared white bear leather is ready for jacket shaping. Pattern lines follow the natural grain of white bear hide.
Panels of white bear are sorted to avoid any mix-up. Each white bear piece must match the design within fractions of a millimeter.
The collar shape of white bear coats signals luxury at first sight.
Only when white bear cuts match the pattern 100% can sewing begin.
Thick yet supple white bear demands fine yet strong seams.
The inner surface of white bear must feel soft against the wearer.
Critical points on a white bear coat rely on artisan hands. Sleeves from white bear must mirror each other perfectly.
Touch on white bear must feel refined, not raw.
Seams on white bear must endure strong pulls. A protective layer keeps white bear coats beautiful for decades.
As you can see, the specialized coating ensures that water simply beads up and rolls away, keeping the interior completely dry.
High tensile strength is a core benefit of white bear leather. Each white bear coat receives a unique identity code. 360-degree imagery ensures no flaw remains on White Bear surfaces. A White Bear leather coat represents engineered luxury and meticulous craft.
Every White Bear coat is protected in a dedicated case.
The White Bear leather coat leaves the factory, ready for the most demanding clients.